I bought a faulty Pocket Pikachu thing. Apparently it has no power. Well, let's test that. Let's pop a battery in. Easier said than done. Oh, there we go. Oh, it's got a battery in. Moritoku battery. That's probably the one that came with it. Let's see if there's any voltage in the battery. Multimeter in. Voltage DC. What have we got? Oh, 3 volts. Okay. Well, it should work with that then, right? Oh. That has just fallen out. That looks like the prong for the battery? Yeah, it's not going to work. There's nothing here. Yeah, right, we're going to have to take this apart. See what's going on there. Looks like it should have 2 prongs. There's one of them. No idea where the other one is. Let's take it apart.
Gotta be quick, there's only 4 screws. Straight to the point, got nothing to lose. Anthony Dean, the support hero. Tim's Monk, Kui Jengas, yo. Dr. Princess Wizard, Sigma 4. Adam Taylor, Christopher Shaw. Badger Squatch, Fleetwood TV. Takes us nicely to the HHG. Steve Panic, Dennis Braun, Andy Banks. John Prushik, Jonathan Harden, Flux. James Fryman, Ungolian, Kid V. Frosty Cool Slug, Kid Bake, Sassy B. Scott made a thing, Kiss Sucks, Michael Biggie. DDoS, Heart Attack, Get the Money. Greasy, Larry W, Sora Cat. Nate Lucas, Iconic, Kate Copad. Peace.
Right, well that didn't take very long to take apart, did it? I'll probably have to slow that down so I can fit the stupid wrapping. I don't... What's that? There's like a piece of wire? Well, it looks important. I'll just leave that there. The speaker wire isn't connected. Looks like that's clean ripped off. Maybe I just did that. What does that do? Anyway, I don't know. But yeah, there's no... That should be part of that. But then it looks like there should be 2. Going off the picture at the back. And yeah, there's 2 things there. Right, well I'm not going to be able to fix that, am I? Where's the other bit? Let's take this board out. I'm a bit worried about this because I don't know what it is. I wonder if that's part of that. I don't know. Right, let's take these screws out. Oh, it's there. What the hell? Right, okay. I'm guessing that's the problem. I suppose what I could do is just get my bench power supply on 3 volts and then we'll just see if the screen comes to life. So I presume that's the positive. It says BT plus. Yeah, because that would be the outer part of the coin cell, and that is negative. So let's put 3 volts into that. Yay! Pocket Pikachu! Right. I don't know which button you press to start. Oh, it says start there. Start. Uh-huh. Okay, they're not very responsive. That might just need a bit of a clean, but that's absolutely fine. Right, okay. So I need to figure out a way of fixing that. How am I going to do that? Because I can't just go soldering those pieces back on. Because as soon as you put the battery in and it puts pressure on it, they're just going to snap off. Let me have a think about it. I've got this box of coin cell battery things. I wonder whether I can... I mean, it's got some prongs in it. They're not the same. But I reckon I could take that apart maybe and use the components from that. It's worth a go. Right, how do we get that out? Like that. So if I can put that in somewhere like that, then in theory that should poke through. Yeah, I think that might work. Right, so let's remove the old broken one. That was easy. I'm going to be doing the cleaning with some isopropyl alcohol, 99.9%
pure.
Right, now how am I going to get this? There. Ooh, it almost fits natively, but not quite. So I need to cut off that side. Like so. Just bend those legs out a little bit. Let's give that a go. Yeah. I think that's going to interfere with the A button, so I'm just going to trim that back as well. Now the question is, can I get enough solder through there so that that's nice and
Solid.
let's give it a go. Has that got it? No, not quite. I think I'm going to have to put... let's try and put a little bit of solder on from this side. Has that got it? Oh, I don't know. I feel like it's not. It needs more solder through from this side. Surely now. No. Right, I need a plan B. The problem I've got is it's not going, so that the leg, for want of a better word, from this thing was not quite long enough. So as it goes through there, this solder is not meeting it. What can I do? I feel like I have to persevere with trying to put solder through this side. That may very well have got it. Give it a go. Yes. That is now lovely and
solid.
Let's clean it up and then we can test continuity. Multimeter and continuity. Right, so we should have it. Negative. So from there. Oh, the whole speaker wire's just come off. So from there to the tip here. Lovely. Right, I'll worry about the speaker in a minute. So I just need to make sure that this now fits in the case. So let's just pop that bit back on. Oh, if anything, it probably sticks up too much, that. Oh, no, oh, actually, no, that's lovely. That is absolutely lovely. That's better than the original, surely. Feels great. And it works, because it's coming on awesome. Right, let's just give these contacts a quick clean. And then I need to try and figure out what this thing is and where that little piece of wire fits into this. I might have to just Google a picture of the inside of this to see where it goes. I've just found this. Tiny wire fell out of Pocket Pikachu. That's the tiny wire that fell out of my Pocket Pikachu. So let's have a look at that Reddit post. Right, okay, it looks like it goes between here and here, and it acts as a spring. So this is some kind of pedometer, and I guess it's supposed to return to that position. After it's come down, it returns up there. Obviously it's not doing. So does it matter which of these holes it goes in? Because there's quite a lot of holes in this bit. And there's 6 in this bit. I better look into it a bit more. I've just found this picture. So it definitely looks like it goes through the middle one down here. And then up here, it looks like you can see it sticking through there. So I guess it goes underneath and then out the top, which is 1, 2, 3, the 5th hole, kind of in the middle, which is what I would have expected. But I think this is going to be quite fiddly, because this is very, very small. I wonder if it's easier to do that out of there. Probably is. I might need the microscope. Oh no, it just pinged off. It's just pinged off. Luckily, it landed on my arm. Try not to take some hairs with it. There we go. Yeah, I'm going to get the microscope out. This is daft. I can't see what I'm doing. Right, so there we go. So you can see, yeah, the holes are very small. So it looked like it went in and through. So let's see if I can do that. I think it's that. So is that... Yeah, that's pretty much how it looked on that picture. Right, let's try that. This is where it all falls out now. Right, well, it's in. There we go. Nice. Right, just need to solder this speaker back on. That wire looks like it's snapped, which is great. This smells super funky. Right, I think we're on. Yes, we're on. Wire's still intact. Nice. That honestly fits in there so nice. Alright, we're on. Right, how'd you use this thing? Oh, there we go, it made a noise. Right, let's set the time. Yes, that works much better. Right. Let's just pretend it's 8 AM. Right, there he is. Right, now what do I do? What? It's got 0 up here, like... Oh, it's a pedometer. Do you get... There we go, I got 1. 2. 3. Right, okay. So what do you do with them? Because that looks like a gift thing. Oh! Gift. So I can give 100. It's in Japanese. What's going on? Oh, I've got no idea what's going on here. Don't mind me. Right, I'm on 20 now. I should probably Google it. Right, I just found this. It's bookmice.net. And it's great. So basically, your main objective is to build up watts via walking, jogging or running, then giving them via the gift icon to Pikachu. 100 steps equals 5 watts. So, oh, it's gone off. So, I don't know if that's 20... No, that's 20 steps, isn't it? Yeah, now I'm 24. So, I'd need to do another 76 steps to get 5 watts. And then you give the watts to Pikachu. I mean, I presume then he does a little dance or something, I don't know. But you can gamble them on the slot machine, and that sounds like more fun. So, I'm going to go for a walk. Or I could just do this. Well, either way, I'm going to try and get up to 200, and then I should be able to exchange that for 10 watts. Wow. Let's do it like this. It's more fun. Well, it's not, but... Oh, it's doing something. Pikachu. Okay. I mean, it's a good thing, isn't it? It's to promote exercise. You go for a walk, you get some watts, you give them to Pikachu, and it says Pikachu at you. Nearly there. Hey, 200, dead on. Right, now what do I do? Where's the slot machine thing? Is that it? Oh, well, let's try it. Yes. Bet 5. Alright, I've got 10, so bet 5. Let's bet 5. Come on, let's do this. Come on. Oh, I have to stop it myself. Oh. Did I win? I don't think I did. 7. Oh. Oh. Well, I've just frittered away all of my steps. At that point, I would normally say, stupid whatever, but I'm determined to win something on this stupid fruit machine. Slot machine. Fruit machine. Right, that must be enough. Yeah, 402. Right. Right, this time. Come on. Nothing. What a swizz. Right, I don't want to lose any more money, so let's just gift something to Pikachu. 10 watts. Let's give him 10 watts. Give. Yes. Is that it? You're just going to eat them? Right. Stupid watts.
She said I love you more than words could say. She said I love you, babe. So now I'm up in the courts, pleading my case from the witness box, telling the judge and the jury the same thing that I said to the cops.